Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am like a child at Christmas. I'm so excited. I've got my parcel come through from Nicron Australia. If you watched my previous clay tutorial videos, you will have heard that I am now an affiliate for Nicron Australia. So they've sent me some gorgeous things that I can use in my tutorials to show you and make some beautiful clays. I've got loads of ideas to show you. So first of all, obviously the main part, I got the clays. So I've got some traditional and some soft and also some colour. I have these 5 pigments, and also this one here is a skin colour, and this caramel colour, this translates to caramel, this translates to skin. With these two you can make different shades of skin colour. I've had these 6 moulds sent to me. These are obviously all available on the Nicron Australia website, and these moulds are designed by Danny Decor. I have this cute little cat mould, which makes a little cat like this with a little tail. I have this one which has got little handbag accessories, and you've also got a face mould on there. So you've got the handles of the handbags, different styles of handbags. And then I'll just show you on the back. So these are the different things that you can make with it. I have this princess dress mould, so you can make all these different styles of pretty princess dresses. And there's some examples there on the back. This one is also a clothing one. Again, you've got your face mould, you've got a dress, there's a little handbag here. You've got little denim shorts, some plain shorts with a belt, denim dungarees, different styles of shoes, your hands. You've also got some legs here, so if you make this dress you can add on your legs. So that is really handy to have. And there's some examples again on the back. And then we have this one here. Now this one here is like a hood, so this is perfect for this time of the year, for the winter. You've got your head here with the hair on, and then you wrap this hood around the head. I will show you the example on the back. You've also got a couple of different outfits on here as well. You've got like this warm style fluffy dress, and then you can make your little fluffy boots, or you can even make them like their leggings, fluffy bottomed leggings. You've got this one here I think is like jeans and a top. You've got this here which is like your sleeve, and then you've got these which you can make like little mittens out of, or you can just make them as hands. And again, there's some examples on the back. This one here you can see with the hood on. These are the little jeans and the top. And this one they've made it look like she's got little fluffy boots on. And she's got the hood on as well. So that is perfect for this time of year. And then this one, again, such a handy one to have. You've got all the different hairstyles. You've got your fringes, or your bangs as they call them in the US. You've got braids. You've got the back of the hair, you've got buns, so many different options of this. So this will be so handy. And this is on the back, so there's not actually any samples on the back of this one. And then last but not least, I got this little folder here, this little cardboard sleeve, and it is full of little extras. We've got these gorgeous decoupage sheets, so they're like tissue paper. These are from 𝘱𝘓𝑎𝑟𝑡𝑠. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but obviously these are all stocked on the Nicron Australia website. I've got some cute little 3D stickers that you can use with your clays. I've got a whole sheet of these different coloured eyes in brown, blue and green. I've also got these, which I think are so adorable. These are the closed eyes. Now with these I can mix them with an open eye, so that looks like she's winking. Then obviously you can use the other one next time with the other eye, so you don't end up with any left over. I think these are so adorable, and they've got like a glittery eyeshadow on them as well. Aren't they beautiful? And then I've also got these bigger eyes as well in all the different colours. So as you can see these eyes are slightly smaller and these ones are bigger. So I've got so many options here. I am now set up to make all kinds of little clay dolls using all of these amazing moulds, and also my clay and my pigments. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to turn on notifications, and then hopefully I will be on here again very soon showing you some makes using all of these amazing products. See you soon. Bye.